these Facebook ads are scams, they're gonna take your money, long shipping times. It's because dropshippers don't provide their customers a good experience. Hey guys, what's up? This will be a short and sweet video talking about the Facebook auction algorithm and really explaining the behind the scenes and showing guys the theory and understanding of how Facebook algorithm auctions works. This is stuff that no one talks about, and I'm pretty sure that no one just knows about. So I'm going to be very excited to give you guys everything on today's video to make sure you guys really understand how Facebook works. And if you guys watch to the very end, I'm going to surprise you guys with why cost per click, CPMs, click-through rate does not matter. So watch to the end to hear more about that. But before we get into today's video, let's announce last video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses or consulting calls. The winner's here. If you guys want to qualify, what to do, drop a comment below. Follow me on Instagram, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit the like button, and I'll be picking the best comment every single video. Other than that, let's get right into today's episode. Facebook's auction algorithm. There's something called B.E.A.R, B-E.A.R. This is what Facebook uses to determine if you win an auction. So B stands for bidding, how many auctions you'll win, / how many people your ad will be shown to. The higher your bid, the more auctions you'll win, the more people your ad will be shown to. You can use manual bidding to outbid your competition. Manual bidding is very powerful because when you're just doing automatic bidding, you're just playing against everyone else. But when you're using manual bidding, you're able to really put a higher bid and get all the premium audience. That's why bidding is very important. Now, the second thing is expected actions, EA. How likely is audience you've targeted going to take your desired action based on previous data? Meaning, is your ad shown to the correct audience? And how likely is that audience going to act upon your ad? If it's low, then your expected action score is going to be low. If it's high, your expected action is going to be high. And then, has a target audience taken actions that would make Facebook think that they're interested in your ad? So that's expected action. And basically, the higher your B.E.A.R is, that would determine if you win an auction. And B.E.A.R is the addition of bidding, expected action, and lastly, relevance. Relevance is the quality of your ad. Is your landing page congruent with the ad? Have you linked stuff like privacy policies on your landing page? And that would increase your relevance score. So in order to win auctions, you need all three of these very high. You need a high bid, plus a high expected action and a high relevancy score, and everything matters. Now, out of all that, the most important thing is relevance. If Facebook doesn't have advertisers showing great ads to their audience will be turned off and would go off Facebook, and you're going to be hit with a low relevancy score, and they're going to stop showing your ads because it's not making their users happy. Facebook only cares about the users. You guys are just there funding their platform, and their users are the people who really hold the leverage because their users are the ones that are using Facebook every day, and their users are the ones that make advertisers want to pay Facebook money to show their ads to their users. That's why they're very consumer centric. And that's exactly why lots of dropshippers have been wiped out. They have been giving Facebook audiences a bad experience. That's why when you do a dropshipping ad, you get comments saying, these Facebook ads are scams, they're gonna take your money, long shipping times. It's because dropshippers don't provide their customers, or should I say Facebook customers, a good experience. And that's exactly why relevancy score matters. And that's why Facebook does all these things such as sending messages to people who've bought things from you, getting them to rate your store and service. And now, as I promised, we're going to talk about CPM, CTR, CPC, and how it does not matter. So as you can see, I got two ads, and the ad on top has a lower cost per landing page, has a cheaper CPM, but as you can see, despite having cheaper cost per click and cheaper CPM and probably had a higher click-through rate, has a much lower ROAS. This just shows that ROAS is a key indicator on how good your ad is, and CPM, CPC, CTR does not matter, and you should only be tracking your key metric, which would be cost per lead, cost per purchase, ROAS. Other than that, nothing matters. ROAS is probably one of the most important metrics that you really want to just focus on. But yeah, that's today's video. Very short and sweet. I'm definitely planning to create more of these sort of bite-sized informational videos. I don't want to be like other YouTubers that would just sort of try to drag this video on. I just want to give you guys all the value up front and let you guys go on with your day and just really apply everything that's taught. And that's exactly why I do these videos. But that's basically how the Facebook auction algorithm works, and hopefully you guys were able to learn something new and really understand it inside out and understand what you're doing. Question of the day: what are your thoughts on my recent videos? I want to get your feedback. I want to hear what your thoughts are, because I really want to tailor my content to you guys who are the consumer that are consuming my content, and I just want to say thank you once again for watching my content every single day. Furthermore, as always, these slides are completely for free in the description below. I know a lot of people want these handy on their desktop, so I give them away completely for free, so be sure to get them. Other than that, hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow with much more value. Peace.